You're welcome to Igbo Language Simplified, where we learn how to communicate in Igbo through diverse ways. Okay, so we've been learning greetings, different areas and aspects of greetings. Okay, but for today's class, we will be practicalizing how to welcome grandma to the house or an elderly person to the house in Igbo. Anyị ga-amụ ka esi anabata mmanya ukwu nnukwu ma ọ bụ anyị nnukwu ma ọ bịa n'ụlọ anyị. Be learning how to welcome them. So I'm still Chiamaka Zubin, onye nkụzi ga-akụziri unu ka esi asụ Igbo taa. Okay, so let's go down straight up. Inabata ma. Okay, please like our videos, follow us, share, and subscribe. Okay. Okay, so let's practicalize it now. There's a knock on the door. Knock, knock. The first thing you should say when someone knocks on the door is Obonye. Obonye means who is it? And then the person at the door will say Amo and mention his or her name. At this point, we are talking about grandma here. So we'll say Amo Mama. Okay, you can see the translation is written there lightly. Okay, and then you say Anamabia, I am coming. Anamabia, Anamabia, I am coming. I am coming can be used when someone is calling you. Mom is calling you. Oh, Anamabia, Mom, I'm coming. It mustn't only be when someone is at the door. Okay, so you open the door. No, biko batabia norodu. It's kind for you to offer to welcome the person and let the person please come in and sit down. Biko bata means please come in. Biko bata, please come in. Bianarado, please sit down. Please come in and sit down. And then we should also be kind enough to look at our guests to see if they're carrying bags or books and offer to help. So that's where you have this line. Kambute apage. Akba here refers to bags because grandma wouldn't come empty-handed, she will come with bags. So we offer to carry her bag, kambuta akbagi, okay? And then grandma will say, is wam dalo. So grandma is saying, thank you, my dear child. I'm grateful, you know. And then you say, when she's coming with the bags, and then you offer to get her water to drink. At least you should be able to offer water to drink, even if there's nothing in the house. Then you say, Kam kuteregi miriongongo. Kam kuteregi miriongongo. Feel free to pause this video at any point, rewind it and rewatch so that you learn so many new words we're using here. Kam kuteregi miriongongo. Okay? And then grandma is happy that you're kind enough to offer her some water. And then she says, Dalu izibongwam. Biko, achohim mirioyi. Achorom mirioko. Achohim means I do not want. Achorom means I want. Achohim, I do not want. Achorom, I want. So she's saying, I do not want cold water, I want hot water. Achohim mirioyi. Achoromo mirioko. Probably the water is cold over there. And then you give her water to drink, or you go get the water, and then she says, hello to Mary, how are you doing? Okay? Then you respond, Adimoma. Miri, I am fine, grandma. Here's your water. And then she drinks the water. And then grandma wants to know how you're faring with your studies. And she asks you, Akwukwanu anagokwa. Akwukwanu anagokwa. How's studies? Hope you're studying well. And then you respond, anyị na-agụ. In Igbo means yes. Anyị na-agụ. Then you also say, ma anyị nwere ofe. Ka m kutere gị ofe egusi na akpụ. So you're offering to get food for grandma to eat. You're telling her you have the egusi soup. Ma Anyị nwere ofe. Ka m kutere gị ofe egusi na akpụ. Imagine offering to give grandma a meal, whether your mom is there or not. And then grandma says, Mba nwam, biko, emecha. Oh, imele ezigbo nwam. She says, no, my child, later, please. Thank you very much. She's just coming back and she's tired. So, but giving her that gesture would make her very happy. Mba nwam, biko, emecha. Oh, imele ezigbo nwam. Try and act out these lines in the house. Somebody acts as grandma and somebody acts as the guests in the house, the children or whoever that is at home. Then later you swap positions, practice it regularly, you strengthen your Igbo words, okay? Then grandma says, Ole ebe nna gị nọ? Ole ebe nna gị nọ? If you've been attending our Igbo classes, you know that Ole ebe means where is. And then the response that came is up or apple, went out. Up or apple, he went out. Then grandma wants to know, where did he go? Ole ebe gara. Ole ebe gara. Ọ He went to work. Ọ Okay? And then grandma is like, okay. But no, you are asking grandma this time. Grandma is elderly, so you want to know how she's doing. How is your health? Oh, grandma is so happy that you care and you want to know. And then she says, Ademomawam. Dalo. Ademomawam. And then you say, Amam nanjemge marama. I know your journey was beautiful and safe. And then ma says, Wam. Wamo. Okay, so this is a short series of questions and conversation that could ensue when grandma comes to the house. So practice this at home, and they have questions. So at the end of this short practice, okay, every child watching this video should be able to answer these questions comfortably. You should know what to say when dad or mom calls you. How do you say, I'm coming? How do you ask your mom, how is your health? It's in that same passage. How do you ask, how is your studies in Igbo? Good. State two simple and kind lines to say to a visitor that comes to your house. What do you tell a visitor in Igbo that comes to your house, carrying books, carrying bags, or looking tired? What kind words, what kind gestures, what kind things can you say or do for the person in Igbo? And then seeing your mom coming back from the market with bags, what best Igbo lines can you say to her? What can you say to her? We've learned this in this short passage. So parents, if your children have watched this, demand that they tell you these words in Igbo. Yeah, we can also do spelling quiz at home. So you make them spell well done in Igbo, welcome, good night, let me get you water to drink, safe journey, let me carry your bag. So this is these are activities that we can do after this passage to help internalize the Igbo words that are being used in this short passage. Okay? Please let the children act this short playlet over and over again so that gradually they get used to communicating in Igbo. Okay, please like our video, share, and subscribe to our channel, Igbo Language Simplified. We are here to find different, fun, loving, practical ways to help and encourage our children to speak Igbo at home confidently. Nibain, Kardeno, Kemesiano, Dalono.